Everyone's heard of ChatGPT. Great, groundbreaking. Now let's talk about the tools that aren't backed by billions of dollars, but still kind of slap. Here are 5 free AI tools you've probably never heard of, but you're about to pretend you've been using since beta. Tired of making Google Slides look like a high school project? Tome uses AI to design full-blown pitch decks and storytelling slides. Just type your topic and boom, it's prettier than your resume. Also works great for pretending you prepped for that client meeting you forgot about. So, you can't draw. It's okay, neither can I. Scribble Diffusion turns your ugly stick figures into legit AI art. Just sketch something, type what it's supposed to be, and AI fixes your mess. It's like having Picasso. If Picasso could follow prompts and didn't need a blue period. This one's for you content creators who have started a YouTube channel, written on your vision board since 2021. Pictory turns text into videos. Just paste in your blog or script, and it adds stock footage, captions, even voiceovers. Minimal effort, maximum influencer vibes. Need royalty-free music that doesn't sound like elevator jazz? Beatoven lets you generate custom soundtracks using AI, based on your mood, genre, or existential crisis. Finally, a tool that lets your YouTube B-roll sound like Netflix. If ChatGPT had a nerdy little cousin who actually cited its sources, it would be Perplexity. It's like a search engine, but smarter, and it won't gaslight you with made-up facts. Great for homework, research, or winning arguments with strangers online. There you go, 5 free AI tools that are actually useful, not just viral bait. Links are in the description, and yes, some are affiliate links. Gotta keep the lights on. Hit subscribe if you want more of this, or if you just like pretending to be ahead of the AI curve. Either way, I won't judge.